Greetings friends and welcome to the dimly lit alleys of Osaka. Today we're going to be exploring Zainichi, North Koreatown here in Osaka. It's where a lot of Koreans actually moved when Japan was occupying Korea, and they've just stayed here and they've maintained their culture. So we have all kinds of kimchi, we have people speaking Korean. 감사합니다. Okay, not a good, oh, she didn't want to be filmed. Okay, great start. And we're joined by everyone's favorite Russian fugitive. It's Tommy Sabbatical.
Don't sneak up on me like that.
Reminds me of prison. Gozaimasu.
Hi.
Hi.
Wow,
Arigatou gozaimasu. No, American. 한국인?
No. 한국인.
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 감사합니다.そうですね。大丈夫。
私は中国人。
Tommy thinks he's Chinese because he used those other DNA matching websites. That's why I partnered with MyHeritage, because not only are their results incredibly accurate and specific, but also because they'll never sell your information to third parties. With MyHeritage, you get access to 42 supported ethnicities and over 2,000 geographic regions, meaning you get incredibly specific results based on your DNA. And not only that, but you can also find DNA matches all over the world. Just use my code SBA29 to get your $29 DNA kit. Spend 2 minutes swabbing the inside of your mouth, send it to their lab, and in a few weeks, you'll have a super detailed breakdown of your DNA history and family tree. So I just swabbed my mouth. Honestly, I have no idea what the results are gonna be, but I did wanna chug a pint of Guinness today and beat up a random person. So I'm feeling like it's gonna come back Irish. Fuck, I'm French? The most detestable area of the world, guys. Western Europe. That's where we're from. What a disgrace. Well, I guess that gives me all the more reason to talk shit about the French. I'm one of you. All right, we're 7.3 other, all right? We could find some redeemable qualities in here, guys. Let's go to the full ethnicity. No black? No Indian? Nothing exciting? Thanks to MyHeritage, I found out I'm 23% Irish, which would explain my very serious drinking problem. And with the family tree feature, you can find lost relatives and even more detailed information about your family. When I signed up for the Omni plan, I found my grandma's college dorm attendance sheet that she used to sign into. I mean, it's absolutely wild the stuff that you can find on there. MyHeritage is running a special promotion right now. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code and use coupon code SBA29 to get your DNA kit for just $29.
Wow. 美味しいですか?
めっちゃお姉ちゃん食べたから聞いてみて。맛있어요. 맛있어요. 감사합니다. 食べてください. 테이블.
まだ食べたことあるよ. お腹いっぱい. I'm full. What is that? イカ?
ソーセージ。
韓国のスタイル?
韓国スタイル。
素晴らしい。
スタイルじゃなくて韓国のスタイル。あ
あ。韓国スタイル。
わあ、韓国人は優しいね。
わあ。
Very friendly.
韓国人は綺麗ね。
あ、何年大阪に住んでいるの？
大阪2年。
2年。前はどこ？
コリア。
コリア。あ、ナイス。
前はコリア。
韓国出身ですか?
韓国出身です。日本何年ですか?
わ、6年前。
6年前。
For 1年大阪に住みました。今日もし汚い。そうです。
まあ大阪は綺麗。
そうですね。人は綺麗。
人は綺麗。
心が綺麗。
大阪の
特別ヒットは綺麗。
감사합니다. 私取るの?
はい。
김치.
Let's patronize. I'll get some of this stuff.
감사합니다.これ양념치킨.
唐揚げ.
そうそう、唐揚げの양념치킨.
辛いですか?
Is it spicy?
No?
美味しい.
오백원입니다.
Alright, bye.
Hi.
Alright,
Yes.
ありがとうございます.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
Bye bye.
바이바이.
お気をつけて. Bye bye, bye bye. おきに. Thank you. Alright, let's get one of these little bunny butts. I fully caved. I'm making brain dead Japan content, buying capsules. Little cat butt.
It's not the feel that you would expect.
I kind of get the feeling you could. Bro, it looks like the hills have eyes, babies. I don't really feel comfortable they gave it eye makeup and lipstick too. Like the sexualization of children is very odd in this culture. Baby, wa kawaii desu ka? Kawaii. Oh, dude, this is very Korean style. Okini.
知った?
どこ?
테이블.
Yeah, okay, いいですか?
Okay,
All right,
いいですか?
yeah, let's do it.
はい、どうぞ。
Arigato. Oh wow, they're breading the fish. ありがとうございます。
はい。
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네, 한국에行ったことが
ありますか?
あります。
ああ、
大好き。
素晴らしい。あ、私はプサン。
Oh, Busan ga ski desu.
Have you been?
Never been there.
Oh.
It's really nice though.
I like her though.
Yeah.
いつに大阪に来ましたか?
私27年前。
Wow.
はい。
And なんで大阪に来ましたか?
結婚し
Husband は日本人ですか?
いやいや、在日、ここで生まれてる韓国。
Oh, 在日?
うん、在日。
北韓国好き?
いやいや、南、サウス。
Oh.
私はサウスです。サウスコリア。
But husband, 家族.
Husband is South Korea.
So they call themselves Zainichi even though they're not.
North Korea. No.
ダメですか?
朝鮮じゃない。
朝鮮じゃない。
ああ、ダメですか?
いやいや、まあみんなかわいそうで同じ国で、メニューあります。
ありがとうございます。
ドリンクから。
Okay, ありがとうございます。顔は韓国スタイル。Good skin. Healthy.
Healthy
skin.
Skin is ogle.
新しい。
楽しい。
古いじゃない。
Backhand
That was
is
a good. I
compliment.
feel like that was a good shitty Japanese way of saying it.
Yeah.
New,
Right.
not old.
감사합니다. Arigato. Wow, yasashi. You're like my mother.
Yeah. カレーだけ食べます。
He's on a diet, the Russian diet. Russian prison
ロシ
diet.
ア。プリズンダイエット。
From your Russia?
No, but he was in prison.
ロシア語が話せます。
話せます。
ありがとうございます。
いや、プリズンから
From America?
America. New York City.
New York City?
Yes.
New America?
Oh yeah, Atlanta.
かっこいいですか? かっこいいアメリカ人ですか?
Oh
うん、かっ
god.
こいいアメ
Oh
リカ
god.
人。
Just fishing for
みんな
compliments.
手が高い。
ありがとう。ありがとう。
ごちそうさまです。
はい、どうも。
美味しかった。
ありがとうございました。
Thank you. 감사합니다.
고맙습니다.
Thank you. Amazing. The market continues. I thought we were out of it, but there's more dingy alleyways to go down, more kimchi to purchase, more nice ladies to talk to. 안녕하세요. Hello. Okay. All right. Wow. Yes. Catacombs. We found them, Thomas. We have our little Korean foods here. Beautiful Korean fucking noodles. Make your bibimbap. Bibimbap. 감사합니다. Let's go travel. Born to be free. Let's go travel. Born to be free. Wow, sounds like the intro to a Yesterday video. Is this a church?
Right.
Oh my god, the Koreans have infiltrated and brought their Christianity here. They've colonized it, guys. Is it a church? Yeah, it looks like it. There it is. There's a sign for the church. It's got the Korean lettering at the top. Beautiful. Tommy, how does it feel looking at a Japanese police station after being in a prison?
I mean, they're adorable. I'd take Japanese prison over Soviet prison any day.
あ、すみません。このアリアはコリアタウン。そうですか。あそこ。Okay. 감사합니다. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Lovely whale shop. You can get whale sashimi here. Too bad it's not open. I love me some whale. We have the traditional Disney character. We have some random kawaii Disney character dressed up in a million different Korean little outfits. The cultural appropriation in Japan. It's happening. They're the colonizers, guys. Looks like you can get dressed up like in K fashion, apparently. Subculture. Who knew? They wear burqas in Korea? I don't know.
K-pop, BTS.
Oh, you have K-pop in here.
K-pop.
Oh, of course you do. Oh my god, yeah. They have all the idols. You can get your idol magnets, selfies. Man, hopefully one day I get to be the level of fame where people are buying magnets with my selfie on it. Look at the beautiful skincare of Gino. You know him, you love him. It's Gino. And Mark. Ooh, the sex appeal Mark with the big old chain. 危ないね.
김정은 다이키라이.
僕も.
와가마마.
大阪には在日北朝鮮学校がありますか?
前はあったけど今はわからない。前はあったよ。私が最初来た時はあったよ。今はわからない。
あなたは南韓国から?
いや、日本人。
あ、日本人。ああ、びっくりした。 なんでコリアって働いているの？
韓国が好きだから。
ああ、
K-POP が。
K-pop が好き。Yeah, the cultural ties between the two countries go back before the Korean War. It was actually when Korea was a Japanese colony. Some people from Korea were sent over here to work in Japan, in Osaka, this industrial hub. And they've just stayed over here and they've maintained their culture. Even to this day with the K-pop, they have the Korean language everywhere. They have Korean food and stuff like that. It's crazy. It's like, I feel like in America, when you're an immigrant and you go to a place, it's like after the third generation, your culture is pretty much gone. But out here, it's still fully intact. It's actually really cool to see them uphold their cultural ties to this day. So when the Korean War happened and North Korea split with South Korea, there was a huge fracture in the Korean community in Japan. We had Koreans that sympathized with the North and Koreans that sympathized with the South, and actually created a huge division in the culture. And it's called Chongguryeon, that like funds North Korean initiatives and supports the people over here that empathize with North Korea. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to find anything about this organization over here yet, but we're not going to give up hope just yet. We're going to try to find some North Koreans, guys. 韓国の食べ物。
はい。
へえ。韓国人。ああ、素晴らしい。안녕하세요。こちらの中で肉。
シナモンとは。
はい、お一つお願いします。Yeah. It's a Korean pastry filled with ham, I think. ここに大阪で北韓国人に住んでいるの？
ここは韓国人の人が多いです。
鶴橋にチョングリョン学校ありますか？
在日の人の学校はない。韓国、北朝鮮の人の学校はあるけど、在日の人は日本人と一緒にスタディ、勉強。
あ、OK。
アトランタ？
ニューヨーク。
ニューヨーク出身。
有名人。famous。
私は中国に。
お気をつけて。中国人。Be careful. He's a spy. He's a spy. He's a spy.
やばいやばい。
私はシー・ジンピングです。アメリカの食べ物はハンバーガーだけ。
もう今みんな韓国人、半分韓国人、なんか日本人。だからもう韓国語喋れないみんな日本人。国が違う、もう一緒、日本人、日本人も一緒。
Alright, 감사합니다. ありがとうございます。さよなら。Well, that was a lovely little encounter. I didn't expect to get that heartwarming message from the lovely people of Osaka. They're all in this together. They're all Nihonjin together. Once you cross that border, you're Japanese. まだ働いている。
そうや。何食べた？맛있어요？
ビビンバ。
こっち言うたのに。
ごめんなさい。
お腹いっぱい。嘘ついたらダメですよ。嘘。
Said you're a liar.
明日
？Okay. デート。
デート。何時？時間？予約。
Maybe 11時。
11時？ルビ。
Okay, alright.
Okay.
Alright, デート。
ワインがありますか？一緒に飲みます。
木曜日11時。
Okay, alright.
覚えといて。
Oh God, okay, alright. Alright, well that's gonna be it from the Zainichi town in Japan with Mr. Sabbatical. Sabbatical, good luck. Hope I don't see you on the news.
Right. Yeah, you know. See you in Afghanistan.
Have a good day, motherfucker!
Let's go, baby!
Small brain American! Oh, almighty!
Retarded.
Fucking loves Texas Roadhouse.
Bye.
MyHeritage is running a special promotion right now. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code and use code SBA29 to get your DNA kit for just $29.